So friends, today we will see the demonstration of view model by a simple example I will show you. So this is basically our the previous example. Okay, the previous concept. Basically, what is the need of a view model that already I have explained in my last video. Okay, so this is the basically demonstration of that basically concept. Okay, see, basically we are when basically I am going to click the click button. Okay, the count is going to change, count is going to increase. Now let me basically change the configuration. Okay, change the orientation. See, it is going to reset, it is going to change the current value. Okay, so how basically we are going to means, get the current data or get the updated data as we are going to change the configuration. Okay, जब हम अपना एप्लीकेशन के कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज करें फिर भी मेरा डेटा एज इट इज रहे, पहले जैसा ही रहे, उसको हम कैसे माने कि रेस्ट्रिक्ट करके रखेंगे, उसको हम कैसे अचीव करके रखेंगे. ठीक है, सो फॉर दैट पर्पस आई एम गोइंग टू यूज द व्यू मॉडल. ओके, सो ऑलरेडी मैंने लास्ट क्लास में बताया था कि व्यू मॉडल इज गोइंग टू creates on a memory as the activity is going to created. ओके, और जब तक व्यू मॉडल का आपको डेटा तब तक आपको लाइव रहता है जब तक वो आपको एक्टिविटी आपको फिनिश्ड नहीं होता है. जब एक्टिविटी फिनिश्ड हो जाता है तभी वो क्या होता है, लाइव होता है, अदरवाइज लाइव नहीं रहता है. ओके, सो लेट मी शो यू. सो आई हैव टू first of all I have to basically add some dependencies. Okay, so life cycle dependency. First of all I'm going to some dependency. I'm going to use some dependencies of view model. And after adding this, just sync down. So 2.5.0 2.5.0. I think this will be the stable over 2.5.0. I can sync it. Just I will change the well into days. Fine. It is sync now. Now for that purpose, actually I am going to create one view model class. A class. I am going to create a class. Basically, main activity view model. Okay, a class that extends view model. View model. Now just import the class. The class is imported Android X lifecycle view model. Okay, now so fine. Now what we have to do? The next what we have to do? See, the basically the concept of this count. Okay, count before the view model. Okay, the count basically I am going to increased here actually in basically get count methods. Okay, so basically in this basically concept, okay, just I am going to create one variable, private pel count int int nullable is equals to 0, and I am going to create one method, get current count method. Okay, and it is going to return int type. Okay, so return here count. Okay, count dot what is here, and next thing, updated count. When we will click the button, okay, the count value must be increased. For that purpose also I am going to create one method, get updated count, that will return int value. Okay, and here basically return count dot plus 1. Okay, now so the logic, whatever logic I have created here, okay, in previous example, that I am removing from here. Okay, this one and this one also. So first of all, what we have to do, let it making the instance of ViewModel class. Okay, so ViewModel main activity ViewModel. Now initialize the ViewModel. So for the initialization, so ViewModel is equals to ViewModel provider. It is going to take the owner class. Owner is the main instance of uh, context of the current class. Dot get of main activity view model class. Okay, fine. This thing we can also just press alt plus enter. Get method is going to replace by using this thing. Okay, this um, angular braces. Okay, this get method is going to just it is going to modify it actually. Okay, or either you can press here alt plus enter to show the uh, options basically, or you can also you can also click here this yellow bulb. Okay, to just replace, or you can leave it, no issue. Okay, or if you have experience, then you can directly use angular braces, and here is also the angular braces. Fine. Okay, this dot will not be able. Now we will use the by default current value will we want to show the current value. Okay, by default if user is not going to click the button, then by default it is the current value must be available. Okay, so suppose here the current value is view model, we will get dot get current value dot, we have to change it into string. Okay, now here also this thing we must have to remove and call the view model dot updated count dot twist. Hope the things will be as smooth as expected. Let me show you. It is running. Yes, good. As expected, the current value is 0. Now let me click here. Sorry, it is not going to increase here. I think there is some mistake. Let me show you by debugging it. Okay, let me debug it. Attach the debugger. This method will goes here. Updated count. Updated count. Okay. Yes. It is showing here. What is this value returning? This. What happened? All the things are fine. Good. Good. Value of kind is 0. Fine. Sorry, we have to use. We have to set the value in binding. Na? Text view. Na? Dot table count. Dot set text. Let me run once again. And see, there is one only. Why it is one? Only one. Why it is only one? It is Alt plus F8 for the calculation. It is one. Count value here. Count value here. It is 0. Count value it is 0 and it is 1. Okay, what is the reason behind it? Let me once again. Sorry, variable. Okay, not well. It will be bad because it is going to change. Means repeatedly it is going to change. No? That's why. Now let's see. One. What is this? Hmm. What is this? let me once again, it is the main activity count, view model updated count. So this main activity view model class. Okay, I have to also implement this live data. So save this live data, live cycle version. Now sync it. Let me run 3.7. It is on. You can change here the logic plus plus increment. Count is equals to count plus 1. What is this? Change here the nullable things. Change here the nullable things and just okay. I think this will work. I just have changed the nullable operator as expected. It is counting. Okay, increasing the let me increasing the count. Let me change the configuration as expected. It is 18, 19, 20, 21. Let me change again. Nothing. Show 23. Well, so the main reason is what, using the view model we can basically restrict the value, okay, not be going to reset at the time of the basically configuration, okay, configuration changing actually. So this we can achieve using the view model, okay. So व्यू मॉडल के थ्रू से हम इसको अचीव कर सकते हैं कि हमारा जो डेटा है वो आपको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज होने पर वो चेंज है ऑलरेडी। ऑब्वियसली जब आपको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज होता है तो हमारी एक्टिविटी फिर से क्रिएट होती है, बट एक्टिविटी फिर से क्रिएट हो तो ये तो ऐसा तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारा डेटा भी आपको फिर से रीसेट हो जाए, ओके। सो डेटा को ही बेसिकली कंसिस्टेंट आपको रिटेन करने के लिए जो मेरा डेटा पहले था वही आपको कॉन्फ़िगरेशन चेंज होने के बाद भी आपको डेटा रहे, उसके लिए हमने आपको व्यू मॉडल बेसिकली यूज़ किया है, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द थिंग, ओके, थैंक यू।